Hey traders, hope you guys had a great Easter weekend. Sorry I missed you guys yesterday. Was actually flying back into town, was out on vacation. A little bit sick this morning, sinuses, sore throat, that sort of deal. Gonna keep it short and sweet today. It's 9:17 here in pre-market. I already had a trade. Usually I'm not recording this early. I'll go ahead and show you guys that. Made about 42 bucks here on that one. At 8:52 I bought AKTX 386 and then I sold AKTX at 407. That was my first trade this morning. Yes, I did buy something, and I have not bought anything in a very long time. It was very hard not to pick this up. I picked it up down here at 386, pretty much bottom ticked it, risking off of the 380s. It had fallen way too much, guys. It's buy fear, sell euphoria. It's as simple as that, traders. When everyone's getting fearful and they're all panic selling their positions, that's when you want to buy. When everyone thinks something's going up forever, like here on AKTX, that is when you short sell. AKTX, they did come out with positive phase 2 trials. The initial phase 2 trials, they actually only did that test on 3 patients. The thing to keep in mind with these stocks is if they get overcrowded on one side, that's when it can get explosive, and we did see that, for instance, yesterday on MBRX, which did come out with an offering this morning. That's why this is pulling back from 240 down to 146 right now. But yeah, MBRX yesterday from about $1.50 to $3.19, and no, traders, I did not have this line drawn yesterday at all. I wasn't trading yesterday. I wasn't here. This line was drawn a long time ago, and every time I pull up stocks, I go over their daily chart and I'll draw support and resistance lines, and they work in the future as well. We take a look at the 3-year chart on this, and very tough $3, $3.15 resistance. I always draw these lines out on every single ticker, become very familiar on every ticker and understanding where resistance and support are. But this is an example on MBRX, a trash company. This should not be doing this. It gets overcrowded on the short side. More people are in it on the short side, and then this is what happens when it's overcrowded on one side or the other. When everyone's thinking it's going to go one way, it goes the other way. When everyone thinks that AKTX is going to go to the moon, that's when it starts going down. When everyone thinks AKTX is going to sell off forever, that's when you buy, and that's when it starts going up. Trading is counterintuitive. You have to do the opposite of what your emotions are telling you to. A lot of people will say, follow what your heart's telling you to do as far as your trades go. No, don't do that. You're going to start revenge trading, over trading. It's not going to be good traders. What you need to do is lead your heart, not follow it as far as these trades go. We got 8 minutes until the market opens on up. Let's see what this market provides to us. MBIO popping up, coming up to 640, which is really where I want that. I'm not going to be forcing this trade. If it comes up to around 640, that's when I'll take it. SSR is turned on, so I'll have to be careful there as far as MBIO is concerned. It's just a little slow for me, and we see yesterday all these random spikes throughout the day. SSR was turned on then as well, and these random spikes would just squeeze out shorts here and there. Just got my order filled at 640, just 100 shares. I think this can fade. These are the levels this has been at over the last few days. I'm gonna risk off of 650. This is gonna be my last trade today. It's approaching 10 o'clock. I'll see if this can fade back to around $6 or so. I do have a stop order set on MBIO if it gets above 650. This is just a really small trade, going to be green on the day either way. I'm risking like 10 bucks to make 20 or 30 on MBIO. Big order just popped up at 640. Probably going to get taken out here. MBIO just slow and grindy after that huge red day. Now up 2 green days in a row. This one's getting a little frustrating, but it is what it is. So we cut that. We're fine. Green on the day still. Going to end the day right there. It's 10:06, guys. Team did very good today. They were trading CDNS, shorted CDNS for about 3 points there. Incredible trade there. MBIO was very patient, waited for that 640 area. Just didn't end up working out there. So the discipline, still there, still green on the day. A little frustrated, honestly, with today. But it is what it is. Trader is going to end the day there on a green note. Hope you guys did well. Let me know in the comment section what you guys traded today. And if you haven't yet, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, guys. We will see you all tomorrow.